Hello again. I've just solved day 22 of Advent of Code 2023. So let's see if ChatGPT will be able to solve it as well. I will take the problem description as usual, copy it, and ask GPT to solve it. I had to zip the input file because when I was posting it as a text file, it didn't work. For some reason, it couldn't read it. So I hope this format will be better. So please solve the following problem. Input file is attached in a zip archive. So I will paste this and let's see what happens. So hopefully it will be able to unzip it and then read it from there, because uploading the text file itself wasn't working well. So hopefully this will be fine. I think it was because the length of the file was too large. I'm not sure. Okay, so that means it's gonna... Okay, so it's gonna first parse the input. So hopefully this should pose no big problems. Then it's gonna sort the bricks in some way. Okay, and then find the minimum height at which the brick can rest. I'm not completely sure about the logic there, but we'll see. And store the final position, then find the safe ones to disintegrate by checking. Probably all of them one by one to see what they support or something. Doesn't seem too bad, but I think the result is wrong. It should be much less. That is not correct. Can you verify against the sample input in the problem description? We'll see if this helps, but so it's trying to check against the sample input. It immediately started trying new approach, so that's quite interesting. But this seems more like what I was doing in my implementation, so maybe it will improve things. Right. A lot of code here. I will not try to understand it. It's a little bit convoluted, but let's see what the result says. And it's one. Just one brick can be safely disintegrated. That does not seem to really consistent with... I don't think so. The problem, the sample input should result 5 bricks. Well, that is unfortunate. I was thinking that this problem could be something that ChatGPT could tackle, but apparently not. Apparently not, at least not so far. And I will not give it too many more chances because it was already 2 tries and nothing. So this is probably the last one. Okay, 4 still not correct. So I guess this is not gonna work out. And because ChatGPT was not able to solve the simple part of a simple version of the problem, it's no use trying to give it the more complicated one. So if this doesn't work out well, this last try that it's trying, I'm not sure if it's gonna be able to finish it or it will time out, then I guess this is not gonna be a good day for ChatGPT. Right? 0. That is definitely not correct. Yeah, so yet again, ChatGPT was not able to solve this problem correctly. Unfortunately, it is not. It probably missed some logic in the checking for positioning, for falling down of the bricks, and for the overlapping of bricks. So unfortunately, the result is that even though the code seemed reasonable, I didn't look into it in more detail, but it seemed that it was doing something that made sense. The result was that it didn't work. So yeah, now it's actually having issues with execution as well. So I don't think this will work out. I will just let it go until it times out or stops outputting answers, but a little bit let down, I think. I was expecting more. So it's still trying, but I don't think it's gonna be for too long, because in a while it will probably, yeah, it's timed out now. So unfortunately, not a good day for ChatGPT. It was not able to solve the first part, so there was no use trying to even test the second part. And I don't know. Well, probably this is just still too complicated for ChatGPT to solve. We'll see when ChatGPT 5 is out. Maybe we'll have more a better result. But for now, it's what it is. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this, even though it wasn't successful. And if you want to get notified about future videos, please subscribe and give this video a like. I will appreciate it a lot. And until we convene next time, I wish you have no errors in your code, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.